Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, in my last video I didn't record an intro and I made sure to not do that in this one. So, in this video, we're focusing on everything pink. I wanted to showcase the Metronome Instant Cream Blush from the Pokemon collection, which showcases Clefable, as well as some of our other pink Pokemon friends, but it is this beautiful baby pink color that I am wearing all over my cheeks right now. Of course, I had to integrate the Palette Town eyeshadow palette. So I integrated some of the pink shades in this palette to create the eye look we have going on right now. We have some, of course, Ioni lashes on, but that is not all. If you, of course, want to see how I achieved this look and how we were able to get to the finish line, then, of course, keep on watching. Okay, so I already did my base. I did like my foundation, concealer. I did a little bit of cream bronzer because looking back on the other video, I look kind of crazy. So to avoid that, I put on some cream bronzer before we put on the, again, we're gonna go with the theme that we did last time and try and match my eyeshadow to the blush. So today we're going to use the Metronome Cream Blush, which of course, like I showed before, showcases Clefable along with all the other pink Pokemon, such as Chansey, Mew, Clefairy, Lickitung, Porygon, Slowpoke, and Wigglytuff. And as you can see here, this is a nice baby pink blush. I don't know how it'll look on my skin tone, so that is why we're doing this video. Of course, we're going to dip again into our Palette Town palette, and we're going to focus on more of the pink tones, such as Fuchsia City, Pokemon Center, and I want to dig into this glitter, which is Gym Leader, because it is so pretty. And yeah, kind of following the same kind of thing. Oh, why didn't I use Jelly Donut for the other video? Anyway, kind of following the same thing. I'm just going to keep into the color scheme of trying to match the blush. And yeah, so let's just jump right in, shall we? I have my... I didn't put anything on my eyes this time because I felt like pink doesn't really need a lot of help sometimes. I'm going to take the A11 brush from the Makeup by Ario X Morphe collection. I'm going to dip into the color Pokemon Center, which is like a baby pink with gold glitter in the actual pigment. So I'm going to start by putting this into my crease. So this is going to kind of start off, I'm going to put this in, actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put this all over the lid and kind of act as our, I guess, base shade, since it's nice and light. So I'm just kind of feathering that all over the lid. I think this is going to be, so when it comes to playing with glitter, you don't have to do a whole lot because of course the glitter is going to be the main star of the show. So of course I'm going to, do the whole transition and stuff so I can use as many colors as I can. But I don't think I really have to, considering, like I said, the glitter kind of does all the work for us. And now, you know what I need? I need a Pokeball mirror. I'm going to take the A25 brush from the Makeup by Ario and Morphe collaboration, and I'm going to dip into Fuchsia City, which is, I mean, it really is kind of just a fuchsia pink color. And I'm going to use this color to, I guess I'm going to deepen just the outer. See, this is where I'm confused because, I'm going to try and do kind of this, outer edge. Oh yeah, so right in here. Oh no, I think that'll work. Yeah, so I'm going to keep it more on the outer edge. So I'm kind of just mapping things out really quickly. And then I'm going to switch brushes so I can blend everything out. I'm going to switch to my JH30 brush, this fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to fluff out that color now. So then I'm kind of just flicking it out a little bit while I'm blending. Okay, so I think I have the eyes how I want them. Actually, I think I'm gonna go, now that I'm just here, I think I'm gonna just smoke out my lower lash line. So I'm gonna take my favorite under eye brush. This is the JH40 brush. I'm gonna dip into Fuchsia City, and I'm gonna use that to connect the outer edge and my lower lash line together. I'm not gonna smoke it out too much. I think I'm just gonna keep it like that. Because then once I add like lashes and stuff, I think it'll kind of bring everything together. I think I do want to put like a little bit of that Pokemon Center color kind of just like in here to kind of brighten things up. Now, for the start of the show, I'm gonna take, so pressed pigments, I think are what usually Colourpop palettes are made out of or manufactured as. So they do have a lot of fallout. Again, fallout never bothers me. If the colors blend, if the colors are what they need to be, then that's all that matters to me. If you care about fallout, then there is fallout. So now I'm gonna take the color Gym Leader. So Gym Leader is like a pressed glitter. So I almost want to take like a flat brush. This is the Colourpop E4 brush. And I kind of, So sometimes what Colourpop does is they use like their like Super Shock formula as like a shadow. So this is what it like looks up when you pick it up from the pan onto the brush. I'm doing almost like a scooping kind of like. So this has green. It looks like it has like green and pink glitter in like a pink base. What I'm thinking is gonna happen is now this is on like a light surface, it's gonna turn green, and I'm not gonna like that. So let's see what it'll actually look like. Oh, okay, that is actually very, very surprising. So as you can see, it pulls a lot more pink. Maybe because it's like in a pink base, but you can definitely see like some of that like green hue to it. So I love that, and all of it pretty much came off the brush once I like put it on. I think I'm gonna bring it all the way out. That is so pretty. Oh, I love that. Okay. I take back everything I said. But look at, like, everything pretty much comes off the brush, like, completely. Like, it doesn't leave a whole lot on the brush at all. Which is great. That means, like, it's a really good, like, formula. And, of course, there's, like, no fallout because it's, like, a cream base, like I mentioned before. So, like, that's amazing when working with glitter. Because I've said this before on my channel, glitter is, like, in makeup just so hard sometimes because it just gets everywhere. It gets everywhere. You can't even, like, do anything about it. Oh my god. That is so pretty. It's giving, like, as she was a fairy. It's giving, like, ethereal. It's giving. Oh my god. I love when things work out. I love when things work out for just okay people. Love it. I think I'm ready for like lashes. So for lashes, I have this super cute pair that I just picked up from my Ani lashes. As you can see, it has these little like butterflies on there. They're like pink iridescent and they're like wispy. So I don't think it'll cover the whole look. I mean, we'll see. I'm still probably gonna go with these even though whatever, right? But like, look at this. Like, isn't that so cute? Like little pink iridescent butterflies. That is so cute. As I almost rip one off. I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara, a little bit of lashes, and I'll be back to apply the cream blush. I threw on the lashes. I think they're so cute. I don't think they cover the like entire eye look, so that's nice. But they kind of give it a little bit of a flare. I think these would be so cool just like by themselves. I put on a little bit of white under my eye. I thought I had like a pink liner from Urban Decay, but I can't find it. I have all of my liners and eyebrow pencils and stuff in here, but I'm not seeing. I might have made that up. I don't know if I think I did. I wonder where I put it. Oh well, right, that's for another day. But here we are. So here we are to the important part, which is applying the cream blush. So the last time I applied it with a brush, and I feel like I'm gonna use a beauty blender this time. This is of course the pink beauty blender. Pinky pink. Yeah. Yes, I did that on purpose. Whatever, like, right? So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna warm it up first. So that's what it looks like. It is very like bubblegum pink. So I'm just gonna dip in and got scared there for a moment because nothing was happening. Okay, so this is the application it's giving with the Beauty Blender. I think I actually like this application a little bit better than the brush, although you do have to kind of work at it a little bit more. So what I'm doing is instead of tapping it in, I'm swirling the product and then going right in. I feel like maybe I can just go in with like my finger and like apply and then blend it out. Because on my skin tone, of course, like I said, it's not exactly the most, I didn't think it was going to be the most like pigmented on my skin tone, only because, you know, it is like a baby pink blush, and I am like, you know, it's not really made for like my skin tone. But I think it's showing up enough that I want it to. Oh yeah, okay, that definitely does enough. I think I'm gonna go back and add, so I used my Clinique Chubby Contour Stick. I'm gonna go in and add a little bit more because I feel like it got a little lost. I'm gonna blend it out with this dual fiber brush that I used earlier. Okay, so I do like that. I feel like, I don't know if it's like just how it's reading on camera, but I feel like I have more blush. Okay, there, I think I fixed it. I think it's kind of just like the way it looks like in different lighting. But I think that looks cute. I think we definitely like achieved that pretty well. I think I do prefer the application with the Beauty Blender a little bit more. I think it just makes things look a little bit more like, you know, smooth and like airbrush, you know what I mean? So I think I prefer that method a little bit more. I'm not gonna go in and powder anything just yet. I want to add a little bit of highlighter, and I think I'm just gonna use a cream. So I'm gonna use my Merit Beauty highlighting balm in the shade Kava. So here we go. So I'm just gonna do the same thing, and I'm going to pick this up with my Beauty Blender. Kind of pinch it, and then, oh yeah. That looks perfect. I love this Merit Beauty highlighter because it's just so like pretty, and it just gives you like that right amount of glow. Oh yeah, see, like when I turn my head, it just like catches the like light. Okay, so now we just have to move on to lip. And I mean, just for the sake of the video, of course I have to use the pH Transforming Lip Balm in the shade Sing, which showcases Jigglypuff, another pink Pokemon. And I'm just going to put this on for the sake of putting it on. But we learned in the last video that these turn like a hot pink. So this one actually is like pink. So I'm expecting it to turn pretty pink. I wonder if I can adjust it if I like dab it on instead of swiping it. So I'm gonna try that. I don't think so. I think it still turns like a hot pink. I think maybe it did make it not so hot pink. To neutralize some of the pink, I'm gonna take this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Cookie Jar. And I'm going to just like kind of like wipe off everything from the applicator and just kind of swipe. Okay, yeah. I think I like that a little bit more. Kind of warmed it up a little bit so it doesn't look like as like fluorescent. But yeah, look at that. Cute. I'm really in love with this like look, I'm not gonna lie. This like look features, of course, the Palette Town palette that we used and the Metronome Instant Crush Cream Blush. So Love that I have that on my cheek. I know it doesn't look as like pigmented on, but I love it. Okay, so whatever. This is cute. I love the look. I love everything it looks like. I love the lashes. I think the lashes like have a potential to steal the look, but then I close my eyes and I look at that glitter, and it just like it's a no-brainer. So love that. Cute. Love the lip. I love the look. I love how everything came together, so love it. So this is another installment in using the Pokemon collection in its entirety, and of course we will get there. Slowly but surely we will get there in its entirety. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe down below. Give it a big old thumbs up. And yeah, I have so much fun playing with this Pokemon collection, and I hope you're enjoying watching it as well. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.